Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. Dynamics 365 Business Central has given you the ability to work efficiently using copy and paste rows functionality. You might want to see the related videos copying and pasting rows from Business Central list to Excel, and copying and pasting rows from Excel to Business Central list. To copy and paste rows on the same list in Business Central, let us use Payment Journal from the Cash Management. Either of the journal batch, but in this example we will use General. Enter records. Click the cell before the posting date. Press Ctrl+C. And press Ctrl+V to the next line. You can also select multiple lines by clicking Show More option, select More. Or you can press Ctrl+A to copy all lines, and do the following Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on your keyboard.